Hi guys, Don from Illinois Sasquatch here. I'm in a State Park B again. I've been to this place before, and as I was hiking around a fall down on a trail, I had to go through a creek bed and found this really interesting scat, or huge turd. Not really sure what this came from, but it's huge. A lot of seeds in it. Whatever it was, it's a vegetarian, but just for comparison to the size, this is my hand right next to the scat in question. And that's got to be 5 inches or 5 to 6 inches in diameter easily. Well guys, I'm going to continue on. I'll catch you further down trail. I'm just coming into this area as of 15 minutes ago. Catch you later. Guys, I'm back. Hopefully you can hear me pretty good. I'm using another external mic, audio recorder as my external mic. I thought this was interesting. I came up on what I thought was an old beach ball, and just to give you a reference, here's my hand, and that's a giant puffball. It's in the mushroom family or fungi family. It's a huge puffball. Thing is enormous, several generations old. I thought that was an oddity. Here it is with my shadow in the way. The thing is huge. I'm going to leave the camera on a little while here and show you this creek bed that I've been paralleling, walking along. That's where I just came from, where that giant puffball was. And this creek bed is, due to lack of rainfall, as you can see, we have some puddles and sustained water flow into these puddles, but we haven't had rain for several weeks, so this creek bed, this canyon creek bed, is dried out. It's all, the bottom of it is all bedrock, and as you can see ahead, it's all dry, covered with leaves, with the occasional puddle. So we're going to head ahead, and I just heard a knock, a wood knock, in this section right here. And it was an obvious knock, but just to be skeptical and let you guys know, there's a lot of walnuts and hickory nuts and even dried sticks dropping out of these trees, and occasionally they'll hit the wood under, the wood on the forest floor and create that knocking noise. But I was sort of suspicious of it at first. It was pretty loud and a pronounced single wood knock. So I'm not going to try to read too much into it. I've taken a lot of snapshots of tree bends and tree arches all throughout this area, and there's plenty of them. And I'll try to slow down my pans. I know I've been too erratic with the camera in the past, and trying to work on being a lot steadier in my camera control. So I'll catch you guys further down the creek bed. I'm headed in that direction. So be back with you further on down.